Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'll be showing you how you forward an email in Zoho. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official zoho.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the apps that you can use in Zoho, such as CRM, mail, projects, and so on. So guys, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the mail application right here because we're going to be using our emails. So go ahead and click on mail, and now this will open up this new tab with the mail application. So guys, you can see here is our inbox, and here we will find our emails that we have gotten. And you can see I have gotten an email from Zoho welcoming me. So as you can see, let's say this is the email that we want to forward. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the email. Now this will open up the email in this side of the page. And now guys, we want to scroll down all the way down of the email. Scroll down until you find this option that you have. You can either reply to all, and you can forward the email. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and click on forward right here. After clicking on forward, now you can go ahead and select if you want to send it is, or you want to include the images and so on. So I'm going to go ahead and send it is, and now we're just going to select who we want to send it to. Go ahead and type in any email that you want guys, and after you have typed in the email, you can just go ahead and click the send option right here, and then you will successfully forward the email. So yeah guys, that's how you do it basically. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.